5 habits that are keeping you broke. Number 1. You chase little dopamine shots over discipline. Every time you scroll, binge, or snack out of boredom, you trade your future for a 5-second hit of pleasure. You feel busy, but you're not productive. And that's how time quietly steals your potential. Solution. Pick one skill you actually enjoy. Writing, editing, design, coding, trading, or complex artwork, and master it daily. The more you build discipline around a real skill, the less you'll need fake dopamine to feel good. And the best part, find a way to make money out of it. Bad habit. Number 2. Once you see some cash, you start pretending you're rich. You worked hard for that money, but the moment it hits your account, you drain it. You buy $600 sunglasses, a Gucci tag on your shirt, or a Flex A watch nobody really cares about. That might make you look rich for 10 minutes in front of someone, giving you a false kick of dopamine, but it'll make you broke for the next 10 months. Real wealth isn't about showing off. It's about staying free, because when you stop spending to impress, your money finally starts working for you. Solution. Stop rewarding yourself with liabilities. Reward yourself by investing in your skills, your business, assets, stocks, your peace. The goal isn't to look rich. It's to never worry about money again. Bad habit number 3. You save money but waste time. You'll walk long distances to save a few dollars, but then spend hours scrolling on your phone or watching videos that give you nothing back. You protect your wallet, but you don't protect your hours. And time is the one thing you'll never get back. Solution. Start treating your time like money. Use that energy to learn something new, build a skill, or create something that can pay you later. Money lost can be earned again, but time never returns. Bad habit number 4. You fear spending on yourself. You avoid buying books, tools, or courses that could actually change your life because you're scared to waste money. You keep saying, I can't afford it, and that mindset keeps you in the same place. Solution. Spend wisely, not fearfully. Invest in yourself, on education, health, and skills that make you grow. If it helps you move forward or earn more, it's not an expense, it's an investment. Bad habit number 5. You save without a goal. You keep saving because it feels safe, but you don't know why. That money ends up going to random emergencies or small pleasures, and you never actually build anything from it. Solution. Give your money a purpose. Decide exactly what each dollar is for a side business, an investment, or your freedom fund. Saving without direction is just parking money to watch it disappear slowly. Got more ideas to share? Share in the comments and help.